Namaste. Welcome to your 5-minute mindfulness meditation that you can practice anywhere and any time of the day. Use this as a simple reset to help you get centered and feel calm, or use this as a daily meditation at the beginning of your day. I'm Anitra with Kaya Jai Yoga and Wellness, and I'm so glad you're here. Let's begin. Find a comfortable seated position, whether it's on a chair, at your desk, or in a parked car. Anywhere is fine, as long as you're safe. And let your hands rest either by your sides or in your lap. Face your palms down for grounding or up for openness and receptivity. And if you're safe to do this, gently close your eyes. Otherwise, lower your gaze. And we'll take one deep breath here to ground you, inhaling through your nose if you can, and exhaling with a sigh. Now simply notice your body, the presence of your body here and now. Notice the contact points, your seat, your back, your feet, the surface beneath you. Soften your belly, unclench your jaw, and let your shoulders relax down away from your ears. If there's any tension in your body, you don't have to fix it. Allow it to be part of the present moment. And gently bring your awareness to your breath. As you inhale and as you exhale, breathing in and breathing out. Feel the movement of air at the tip of your nose, and feel the rise and fall of your chest or your belly. Breathing in and breathing out. Now allow your awareness to expand to include sound. Notice the sounds that are close to you, and notice the sounds that are far away. Let the sounds come and go. Just listen spaciously. Now gently turn inward. Notice thoughts about boredom or tiredness or hunger. Just noticing those thoughts. Notice any thoughts that come up about the past or the future. Let them come up and let them go, like clouds floating across the sky. And bring your awareness back to the sounds around you, noticing them again as they come and go. And then return to your breath, feeling its rhythm, its softness, as you inhale and exhale. And then bring your awareness back to your body. Notice any sensations in your body. Feel the wholeness of you grounded and present. You're here in this moment, fully alive, present. This moment. Let that be your anchor, and let your breath carry you through whatever comes next. You have calmed your mind and body and centered yourself through this short mindfulness meditation practice. Welcome back. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.